In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Mailerlite domain authentication. To begin, open your browser and go to the Mailerlite website. From there, log into your Mailerlite account using your account credentials. Make sure you are signing in to the correct workspace or account, especially if you manage more than one Mailerlite account. Domain authentication is connected to the account you are working inside, so starting in the right place will help avoid confusion later. Once you are logged in, take a moment to let the dashboard load fully. Mailerlite may show your main overview page, campaign area, or another section depending on where you were last working. That is completely fine. What matters is that you are inside the account area where your settings are available. Next, look for your account menu or settings area. In Mailerlite, this is usually found through your profile, account icon, or a menu option near the top or side of the dashboard. Select Account Settings. This is where Mailerlite keeps important account-level options, including domain settings, sender details, and other configuration tools. After you open Account Settings, look for the Domains tab. Click the Domains tab to continue. This section is specifically used to manage domains connected to your Mailerlite account. It is also where you can confirm which domains are already added, which ones still need authentication, and which sending identities are ready to use. Now that you are on the Domains page, locate the area labeled Sending Domains. This is the section that controls the domain you use when sending emails through Mailerlite. Authenticating a sending domain helps Mailerlite verify that you are allowed to send email using that domain. It can also help improve trust and make your email setup look more professional. In the Sending Domains section, add your domain email. This should be an email address connected to the domain you want to use for sending. For privacy and security, do not use or share sensitive information while recording. The important part is that the email address belongs to the domain you want to authenticate. After entering the domain email, carefully check that it is typed correctly. Small spelling mistakes can cause issues later, especially if the domain is not entered exactly as intended. Once everything looks correct, click Save. This confirms the sending domain information and moves you forward in the authentication process. After saving, Mailerlite should show a pop-up asking you to connect your domain to Mailerlite. This pop-up is part of the authentication flow. It is meant to guide you through connecting the domain so Mailerlite can verify it and allow it to be used properly for sending emails. When the pop-up appears, read the information on the screen and continue through the connection prompt. The goal here is to link the domain with Mailerlite, so the system can recognize it as an approved sending domain. Take your time on this screen because it is an important part of the setup. Once you are ready, choose the option to authenticate. This tells Mailerlite to begin checking the domain connection. The authentication status may update right away, or it may take some time depending on how the domain connection is processed. If you see a pending or waiting status, that usually means Mailerlite is still checking the domain. At this point, you have completed the main process for getting your Mailerlite domain authentication started. You logged in, opened Account Settings, went to the Domains tab, added your domain email under Sending Domains, saved it, used the pop-up to connect the domain to Mailerlite, and selected Authenticate. That covers everything you need to know.